Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. Go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. In this option I'm gonna show the next message. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Click on Reset Now button. If you receive a user account control confirmation, select Yes and click on Close. Close and go to the Start menu and restart your computer. Login in your Windows. And you select your privacy policies and your network. This is optional. In my case, I select no. And thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.